So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. You want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. There's going to be 3 links in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date for your software. Once you do all of that, go to search and type in display settings. Click on it. You want to make sure that your display cables are properly plugged in to both your computer and to your monitor. You could also unplug them and then just plug them back in again. Make sure that you push it in all the way so it's properly connected. And now you want to click on the drop down right here. Make sure that you select extend desktop to this display. Hopefully this will fix your problem. If not, then just restart your computer, come back into Windows and then try again.